At number 4, we have the Black+Decker BPACT14WT. The Black+Decker portable air conditioner stands out for its impressive cooling power, making it a solid choice for those seeking effective temperature control. This portable air conditioner offers a 3-in-1 functionality: cooling, dehumidifying, and circulating air, which is ideal for handling summer heat. It features easy-to-use electronic controls and a remote, enhancing convenience and accessibility. The unit is also designed for easy mobility, equipped with casters and side-carrying handles, which simplifies moving it around the house. However, it is worth noting that the air conditioner is quite power-hungry, which could be a concern for energy-conscious users. In terms of noise level, it operates quietly enough to not disturb sleep, making it suitable for overnight use. The installation process is straightforward, thanks to the included kit, which aids in a hassle-free setup. Overall, the Black+Decker BPACT14WT combines robust performance with user-friendly features, though its energy consumption may be a drawback for some.